QuickBooks Online has introduced new unified report customization options that combine elements of both its previous Classic View and Modern View report customization options. To customize a standard report in QuickBooks Online after running it to change its general report settings, simply change the options that appear in the Customization Settings section at the top of the report. The general report settings available in this Report Customization Settings section change for each report. These are also not all the customization options available, just the most common general settings. To collapse and expand this section, click the arrow in the lower right corner of the Report Customization section. Some minor report customization options also appear directly within the standard reports in QuickBooks Online. To show report lines with either normal or compact vertical spacing, click the drop-down in the upper left corner of the report and select Compact View or Normal View as desired. To collapse or expand all accounts that show subaccounts in a report, click the same drop-down in the upper left corner of the report and then choose either Expand All or Collapse All as desired. However, note that you can also click the Expand or Collapse arrow next to any account that shows subaccounts within a report to collapse or expand a single report line if desired. To sort by column values in a standard report if available, click the Sort Arrow button next to the column heading containing the values by which to sort the report to show an upward or downward pointing arrow which shows the direction of the sorting applied to that column's values. An upward pointing arrow means the values are sorted in ascending order, A to Z or 1 to 9, and a downward pointing arrow means the values are sorted in descending order, Z to A or 9 to 1. To reverse the current sort order on the column, click its arrow again. To add notes to the bottom of a standard report, click the Add Note button at the bottom of the report, type the note into the box that then appears at the bottom of the report, and then click outside of the note box to set it. If needed, to rename the default report sections for balance sheet and profit and loss reports, click the Customize button in the Report Customization section to show the Customize pane at the right side of the report. Then, scroll down and click the Edit Section Titles section within the Customize pane to expand it and show its settings. Then enter the new titles for the report's existing report sections into the fields in this section of the pane. The fields update their information in the report when you exit the field in this pane. To customize the report title, hover over the current report's title, and then click the edit icon that appears and which looks like a pencil. Then change the report's title in the report title field that appears. Then click outside of the field to set its new value. To fully customize the standard report in QuickBooks Online after opening it to see all its customization options, click the Customize button in the Report Customization section above the report to open a Customize pane at the right side of the report window. The Customize pane lets you access all the report's customization options within its settings sections. You can click the title of any report settings section in the Customize pane to collapse or expand its individual settings. The available report settings sections can change depending on the report. For example, all the aging reports include an Aging Report Settings section that doesn't appear in most reports. However, there are many report settings sections that appear in most reports, including filters, columns for detail reports, number format, header, and footer. To close the Customize pane without changing its options, click the X button in its upper right corner. The next several lessons in this chapter of the QuickBooks Online tutorial look at what you can expect to customize in the most common settings section of the Customize pane, as well as the general report settings in the Report Customization section. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.